Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to get new wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to use the iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to get this and how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to get new iOS 18 wallpaper on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, you just need to scroll down until you get to wallpaper and click on that. Now, once you selected wallpaper, you're going to have access to all your current wallpaper or existing wallpaper on your iPhone. Then click on Add New Wallpaper. And then you have access to all predefined or pre-created wallpaper for you on your iPhone. You need to scroll down to get access to the iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone. Then you have a couple of them. Then once you get to iOS 18 wallpaper, infused with light, this wallpaper can change dynamically with the time, or you can select a color. Then go ahead and select which of the iOS 18 wallpaper you want to set on your iPhone. Now once you selected it, this wallpaper is going to change with time. So just select it and then go ahead and click on the Add button at the top right. Add it, then shows a pop-up that says, do you want to use this as both home screen and lock screen? So you can just click on Customize, set as a wallpaper here or customize home screen. So let's use as wallpaper here, and then there you go. So you can click on this again and make sure the background is not blurred. Make the wallpaper visible on the app icons, then click on done. Then once you're done, you are good to go. Then you should see the iOS 18 wallpaper set on your iPhone, and this is going to change dynamically each time your iPhone screen is locked, or it's going to change with time. So that is basically how to get the iOS 18 wallpaper on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.